Welcome to the FEG Biz Opportunity. Today, we'll explore the fast start, performance-based approach that drives success. Learn how to earn $5,000 to $20,000 monthly by assisting small businesses and families in safeguarding their mortgage and retirement. This opportunity is performance-based with no income cap and features a fast start system to accelerate your success. Welcome to our discussion on small business market opportunities. We'll explore the demand for financial protection services and how they can benefit families. Most families face financial exposure due to unprotected mortgage payments if income ceases and heavily taxed, risky retirement savings. Despite common beliefs, many lack adequate coverage. This creates a massive demand for straightforward financial protection solutions. We assist families in two key areas: protecting their mortgage and growing retirement safely. Our strategies ensure their home and income are secure if unforeseen events occur. Additionally, we offer tax-advantaged growth strategies to safeguard their retirement plans. Our market: family communities and small businesses. You earn money by assisting families with a commission-based structure that has no cap. Payment is received per approved application, with an average case earning between $500 and $2,500 or more. The more families you help, the more income you generate. Let's explore the income breakdown. With 5 sales a month, you can earn $5,000 to $10,000. Doubling that to 10 sales can bring in $10,000 to $20,000. Weekly, 2 to 3 sales translate to $2,000 to $5,000. This is based on actual activity, not theory. Our simple business model focuses on sales and marketing coaching. Engage with your contacts to set up appointments. A trainer will guide you through needs analysis and customer financial consulting. Submit applications online, follow up for underwriting approval, and receive payment upon delivery of financial solutions. It's straightforward and effective. In the Fast Start system, begin by contacting 25 to 50 people and booking 3 to 5 appointments to close transactions within the first 2 days. Days 3 to 7 focus on underwriting and approvals, with support for closing deals. By days 8 to 14, you receive payment for training sales and/or licensed agent sales. No experience needed. Your agent code registration comes with a technology system with communication guide and a proven conversation flow. You'll receive live support on your first deals, allowing you to focus on taking action while we assist in closing. This opportunity is ideal for individuals seeking a $5,000 to $20,000 monthly income. It's perfect for those who are coachable, take swift action, and are comfortable engaging in conversations. If you fit these criteria, this system could be a great match for you. This model succeeds due to a high-demand market and a simple, easy-to-explain offer. It provides a fast path to income and is scalable, allowing for part-time to full-time transition. Additionally, it offers the flexibility to work remotely from anywhere. Successful agents need more than a license. They need a system. We help our agents utilize AI-enhanced marketing strategies, proven processes, and business-building resources to create more opportunities and develop a scalable financial services practice. If you're committed to earning $5,000 to $20,000 monthly, it's time to act. We'll guide you through getting started, obtaining your agent code, setting up initial appointments, and earning your first commission. Take action now. Go ahead and click on Get My Agent Code at the bottom of this page. There is a one-time technology setup fee of $125 for your website, marketing technology access, and your premium business materials. Your sponsor or mentor will now help you plan your fast start.